Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So this reading is going to be a little different from my previous readings because first of all this is a bonus reading for you, and the second thing is that I will looking towards your energies. So whatever energies you are attracting, what are you manifesting, okay, whatever energies you actually want around you, so that energies I'll be looking, and the people or the situations you are dealing with, those people energy, those situations energy, and then I will see the impact, the total impact, the outcome of the situation with which you are dealing with. Okay, so let's start with your reading now. And for my Aries, this bonus reading, let's see what they have in their sleeve. Okay, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so whatever video I'm putting in a daily basis, you can get everything. So your energies are Two of Swords, Ace of Rods and Ace of Swords. Okay, so over here I really feel that you are clear about something. You definitely know whatever situation you are dealing with. You know that, but still you are little confused. You are having a lot of things in your mind. You are very passionate. And one more thing for Aries, that Mars is entering in your sign Aries, and this time is full of growth. So be ready for the growth, money and whatever your business expanding. Okay, so be ready for that. So that might be a decision regarding your work. You have to expand your work, so there is a little, you are a little confused about it, but you are very clear about some situations, and some situations you are not clear because you have work in your mind. You have many things regarding like quotes as well, many other things, new starts, new things regarding your work and business. So all these things are everything. That is what energy you are manifesting. Everything is in your mind. You have plans, and you are all set, ready to go, to move towards those plans. But what are you confused in? So why? What is about the thing which you are confused with? We'll clarify. The people or the situation you are dealing with, those energies. Okay. See, this is Judgment, the moon and the sun. This is the 18, this is 19, and this is 20. So do you know what this means? That after 18, 19 comes, after 19, 20 comes. So this means that, I'll put it order wise only. Yeah. Some things were hidden before. The situations I'm telling you, or the person, there was some things you were not able to see because you were at the dark side before, because the moon card, dark side was going on, your business was not going so well. So the situation is telling you, don't worry, because the sun is coming up now. Okay, so after the night there is a day. Okay, so the sun is here. So sun means beginning of a bright new day, bright new work. And after that, the Judgment card. So judgment means the calling. So the angels are looking towards you, and they're looking at you, and the situation with you, whom you are dealing with, they are a little bad for some time, because I also feel that there is some kind of communication gap as well for some people. But because might be for the Mercury retrograde season, but it will end on 12th July. So if you are having some kind of communication gaps with someone, it will it will be removed after 12th of July, and the sun will be there. I don't know, I'm feeling very emotional for with your reading, but this is a very beautiful reading. You were in the dark side from a long time, and just after some time the sun is here, and the judgment, and they are calling you. They are just so much ready that whatever you wanted, I'm ready to give you. Sorry. Okay. So the outcome is Nine of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and Death. A very beautiful transformation. Very beautiful. A very beautiful read, Aries. This is wow. Okay, so you are coming towards as a person with, who will just walk in the streets, and people will be looking towards you like, oh my god, what has happened all of a sudden. So, but a little, I will clarify this Four of Cups, but I really feel that there is some kind of transformation which is needed in your life. When money comes, when all that love comes, whatever comes towards you, you are so happy, you are so excited. But after that, there is someone who is offering you a cup, but you are not accepting that, because that is a cup for transformation, for your growth. So you are not accepting. I'll clarify like what is the reason behind that. We'll see. So let's clarify this Two of Swords first. Three of Cups, the Moon, and Temperance. Okay, so this is the reason, because the Moon, the night is right now there, so that is why you are not able to decide. But when the sun will come, when you will have the new start, everything will be cleared after that. And I also feel that there is some, in your mind, you want balance, because your mind is working a lot nowadays, and you want balance, and you want some kind of refreshment as well. You want to be with your friends, to drink and have some party, dancing and all that. You want that. So but this moon is ending, so that moon is ending, I'm saying this, the sun is coming up, it will rise again, so this thing is ending really soon. I'll not clarify these three cards, they have told me everything, so everything is in front. Let's clarify this Four of Cups. Okay, Page of Cups, Three of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Lovers. Okay, so for some people might be an ending with someone is there, because you are more concentrated towards your money, towards your fame. I feel that you are so much happy to be independent, that I really see that you are not accepting that offer of love, and you are ready to end it. So for some people, I really feel that, I don't know, this is a very strong energy which is coming towards me. Might be you have something else in your sleeve, or someone else, or I really feel that this is more of your work issues, because you have a lot of things in your mind, so that is why you are going to end. For some people there is an ending, transformation as well as ending. So if this is the person who is offering you something, and you are, I really feel that you are not accepting that cup offer of love from this person only, and you are ready to end. That might be the reason you were confused in your energies. And Three of Cups also means might be having someone else you are more interested with, more talking, more attracted towards. Yeah, Two of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Ten of Cups. Okay, so but you are taking a decision very fast. You are a little confused, but you are going to take a decision really fast about it, whatever will it be. Okay, so let's see what the universe has for you, what the universe wants to tell you, towards which things you should see and which you should not look and which you should not worry about. Let's see. Knight of Rods, the Magician, and Six of Rods. Okay, so universe is telling you the success is on its way towards you. You are ready with all your materials, so my dear, so because you are the Knight of Rods now, and you have decided those things, whatever your new plans were, so they are coming, so they are, this is the time where you are ready to apply those projects, those plans, your investments, whatever you have thought from a long time. So now will be the time where you will be able to invest that money, you will be able to invest your plans. Okay, so everything, you have everything, so success is coming towards your way. So that is what the universe is also telling you. A very beautiful read, and that's all from my side, my Aries. I really hope you liked the reading, and if you really liked it, just give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.